Hey, strike a menacing pose.
Hey guys, what's up? We better make another vlog, and my shoe is untied. I just got some very inappropriate messages from my good friend Chris on Discord, and he said, "Alright, I'm heading out. Are you ready?" Very inappropriate and scary. Chris, I'm reporting you to my local police station. Guys, he also said swag.
Snow. So, are we going to A, McDonald's, B, Burger King, or C, In-N-Out?
Number C, probably.
That's exactly right. It is 10:44 in the AM, and we are going to be going to one of the very few In-N-Outs in Utah.
This is epic. We're making a left turn. We've made a left turn.
Left turn. Again with another. Make sure to hit smash, like, comment, subscribe, and hit post notifications, bro. Army.
Yo, I'm about to go to college in this small little Domino's.
Traffic.
Guys, we about to drive past my eye doctor appointment. Alright, and then at this light, you want to take a left?
I don't listen to leftist media. I only listen to Fox News. What's up, Vlog Squad? Today we're going to be recording
Why are you more
Inception.
famous than me? Why are you more famous than me?
Why am I more famous than you?
Yeah.
We are in church parking lot. Isn't that right, Vlog Squad? Yeah, on a Tuesday. This is very picturesque, very picture perfect. You got the building, you got the small child, and then you got In-N-Out Burger. God bless America. Hello, Michael. Hello, Cooper. Hey, I love Chick-fil-A. God bless America. But what the hell is Burger King doing there? What's going on? You are walking down the street in Utah. It is snowing right now. There's a Chick-fil-A. There's a God bless America flag. There's cars. And then a small child. Quite loud, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. How does it feel to be in the In-N-Out?
I don't know what to get. Probably eggs. Or corn.
Alright, Mario fans, we have got the strawberry shake and the burger, and that's myself. Burger. So, how would you rate the In-N-Out we've just been in?
I mean, we don't have a car to give us a ride home anymore, but I feel like if I did have a car, then it would probably be a 9.
What are you talking about? Wow. It's the IKEA store. It's had a rebranding.
Yeah, it couldn't handle being a mile long.
Yeah, now it's just
Small.
now it's just a yard long. American.
Yeah, property prices have really gone up.
This is the brand new IKEA vlog. Isn't that right?
Bro, this place isn't
We gotta find a TV and then say it's very old. Okay, Mario fans. I found the secret exit. Let's go. The vlogger lifestyle. Always on their phone. Welcome back, Mario fans. Today we're going to be going through the secret exit. We are actually kind of a menace to society when it comes to the fact that we are walking in the middle of this road and there's a car coming. Oh my freaking bruh!
think I solved world thirst.
You see, we are going back to heaven.
Yeah.
Well, guys, Mario fans, women, I don't know what to call you people. Oh, check it out. It is barren, except for our house. I mean our car. The handicap sign. See, I'm such a vlog squad. Hey, what's up, vlog squad? We are about to visit Sam.
Okay, you see this? This baby can go 5 million.
Expect level 310, 10 minutes after departure.
Com Air 787, we're Lima Alpha protecting.
Departure frequency will be 125.7. Squawk 27668. Alpha. Right, after shift is Lima, India, November, Alpha.
Okay, copy that.
Major fracture detected.